Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the show. Despite what some of my industry peers might say, dashboards aren't dead. In fact, I'm of the opposite view. Dashboards and reports are critical business applications that provide an organization with visibility, understanding, clarity, and hopefully guided analysis of how their business is performing and where to focus their attention. An ebook by ThoughtSpot titled Dashboards Are Dead starts like this. For more than 20 years, dashboards served as a foundational element of business intelligence, helping leaders visualize and share valuable data across their organization. Yet even after 2 decades of tremendous investment, analytics adoption rates have stagnated at just 30%. Today, only 10% of executives believe their company is analytics mature, and more than 84% of frontline workers report poor analytics experiences and needing better insights technology. It goes on to say, that's because dashboards weren't built to meet the needs of today's always-on, always-changing world. Your business can't afford to wait days or weeks for trained analysts to produce insights from stale data. You need personalized insights from your cloud data now. Now, clearly, this position by ThoughtSpot leads the reader towards a solution that suits their product, which is a fantastic product, by the way. But the rhetoric of dashboards are dead is misleading for most organizations, and we need to be really careful not to throw the baby out with the bathwater here. A dashboard is essentially a type of data product, and a data product exists to serve a purpose or meet a specific need. For example, understanding the overall business performance last week in order to highlight operational areas of improvement in the coming week. The data product has features and benefits, like it can be broken down by customer groups, by product categories, or by time slices, that it works on your mobile phone and can highlight outliers of performance. So a dashboard serves a purpose, an important purpose, if you were to build an organization that is able, willing, and literate enough to make sense of data, understand insights, and have the ability to make better decisions. I think a dashboard's at the heart of being able to do all those things. What's also true is that dashboards aren't the only solution for communicating metrics and insights to your organization's stakeholders. They aren't the only tool that those making decisions can use to unpick a business challenge and help shape their thinking around those decisions. What is also true is that dashboards aren't the only solution for communicating metrics and insights to your organization's stakeholders. They aren't the only tool that those making decisions can use to unpick a business challenge and help shape their thinking around those decisions. And they aren't the only way to understand what's going on in your business. The point being, though, is that they aren't the only type of data product. Other data products might be a data science algorithm, a machine learning model, a data feed between systems or external companies. And each of these data products will serve a purpose and meet a specific need and have features and benefits, just like a dashboard will. So whilst dashboards still exist and should exist and aren't dead, they aren't the only data product that we need to think about to create an organization that's able to use data effectively. Now, an insight that's often thrown at dashboards is that they are generally limited to telling people what's happened, also known as descriptive analytics. And the industry is constantly led to believe that they must rush to the panacea of moving from descriptive to diagnostic, i.e. why something happened, from diagnostic to predictive, i.e. what will happen, and finally from predictive to prescriptive, i.e. how can we make something happen. The thing is, a dashboard can provide all those things, but more importantly, descriptive analytics on its own can be an incredibly powerful tool and shouldn't be overlooked by organizations at any stage of their maturity. A recent study on this topic of descriptive analytics by the marketing unit at Harvard Business School looked at the adoption of descriptive analytics and its impact on online retailer performance. Now, it showed that across 1,500 e-commerce websites that it looked at, that there was an increase of 4 to 10% in average weekly revenues following the adoption of purely descriptive analytics dashboards. They showed that this improvement was akin to the impact that introducing a CRM system or a personalization engine or other prospecting technologies can have on an online retailer. And additionally, and really interestingly, it found that without the descriptive dashboards and descriptive analytics, retailers weren't unable to reap the benefits associated with their investments in other technologies like those that I mentioned and other marketing technology more generally. So a dashboard was needed, A, to help drive improvement, but also manifest the benefits of investments in other technology. Now, I know from my own experience working with hundreds of organizations and in running a business of my own that having a set of clear, concise, consistent, focused dashboards with agreed metric definitions can be an absolute game changer in the value you can get from data. They help to simplify and distribute insight, and built correctly can really guide people through a sort of train of thought that helps to make better decisions. I've seen some really chaotic, ineffective weekly trading and operational meetings that everyone hates, who hasn't seen those, but get transformed into collaborative discussions, effective decision-making meetings, and meetings that galvanize a team behind facts and the business priorities through the introduction of dashboards. So I think we need to be really careful not to dismiss dashboards, dismiss descriptive analytics, and promote a rhetoric that dashboards are dead and that you should move away from those and focus on a shiny new thing that will solve all the problems. I think dashboards aren't dead. I think they're a critical business tool and we shouldn't forget about them. I hope you enjoyed that. I'd love to hear your views on the topic, and I will catch you again soon sometime.